So let me start with the course because it's the base. So the course is awesome. Actually, I have gone through many courses, but the course in scaling it gives us opportunity about the projects. The main thing is project, and project give us many knowledge about the technical field or the industry. And the projects in skill means these courses are like awesome. Means we really have to work hard on this, so that means it's not like a just we are doing the projects. It's only a industry oriented project. So I get lot more theoretical knowledge also, and also the basic technical knowledges means which I can implement on this. So it's great projects to work on. So it's going great. Means when I am started doing the course, initially I feel some difficulties in the understanding. Then I got to know many things about the. I got to know some means knowledge from the instructor, from our support engineer, and means when I started doing the projects, it's like time just passed away. Means when I started doing the projects, doing on the researches and all the things designing, I don't remember how much time I give on that. Means time just passes away, and I really enjoyed the projects. And means I'm working hard on that, and also means I'm learning a lot. Means I'm getting more knowledges, more industry oriented knowledges and all. So this is how the experience is going on. You can see that this is a whole car model. So basically what we are doing, my work is to design the fender, the hood, the roof, and also the back door. So this is what the project is all about. So you can see that there are a lot of engineering works done on that. I will show the model as each part. Let me show that. So you can see that, right? It's a hood. It's a complete hood of a car. How we design, how the designers design in the automotive industry, it's almost like same what it is doing in the industry projects. And all the automotive industry and all the car companies, they just do like this, and we are also doing the same thing. Like we are making the all things, considering all the design consideration about the manufacturing and all, so that this part can be manufactured also. Means when we do a simple design, we don't get into the perspective of the manufacturing, but here we need to do the manufacturing perspective also. Because anyways, if our design is not going to get manufactured, then our design is actually worthless. So we also need to do some researches and also see how this part is going to be manufactured and all. So so like that we are doing all the things. So it's just a one project. Means it's completely means what I can say. It's a total combination of many things. So initially my work is to do the means all single parts like wood and all, and then I get to the roof, other components and all. So first of all, we need to see what our different companies are using. Means we need to research a lot. Means initially the research work is done. Like we have to see how the other cars are doing the roof, means how other cars are means looking with the roof. So we go through many roofs, like we see different cars, different car models, we search it, we see the theory about that, means we see the car photo, and we get to means we have to prepare ideas that like that we are going to progress, right? After that, what we need to do, we need to do some theory work. Means we need to see how my roof is going to be. Means we can't just design that. Means we have to consider the load factors. The means many factors are there, like how it's going to be. You can see if I talk means perfectly talking about this roof, we have to also see the criteria that when there are snowing, so we have to do that this roof must be of means perfect strength, so that it can withstand every load and all. So like that we do that. Then we need to do some calculation that how we are going to place all the things. Like you can see there are many things in that. It's not just a single part. So you can see that there are different parts and all. So first of all, we get a styling surface, then we prepare the theory about that, means we do the benchmarking, then we start doing all the things. And after making this, we also need to do some modifications so that it can matches with other components, because there are all other components also. So we need to match the single part with every part, because all the parts are dependent. So that's how we do the things. Every part has different approach. If we talk about backdoor, so we do other things. We need to make some hinges and also do some axis and all. Means if I talk generally, we must prepare some theories and then we move forward for the designing part. If I talk about me before the internship and me after the internship, it's a lot more difference, because initially I don't talk that much, so that's I am talking right now. So how this change happens, like when we do the internship, we have a daily meetings, right? We have daily meetings, daily progress, and we do communications. So for that, I means we have to talk. Without talking, nothing is, or everything is worthless, you can say. Just making the models, you can't do anything. So by that, my confidence also increased, because I know a lot. Means lot things I know, because there is a different confidence that I know some things. I know technology, means technical things. So that's how the communications also increased, means enhanced. And right now you can see my confidence. Means I am feeling confident. My advice will be that when we are doing something, do with full means enthusiasm and also with full energy. Means if we are just doing for sake, it's not going to help anything. So when we are doing, we are mentally prepared that we are going to this path and this field, then only you can do the progress. And we have to enjoy. Means we have to enjoy the things. We can't just do that as for sake. We can enjoy, we can learn a lot, because without right now the situation, you can know, without technical knowledge we can't get that much job, means we can't get our dream job. So that's how I will advise that if someone is taking the course, be prepared and be prepared to work. Means not, it's not like just you are doing the course and getting the certificates. No, you have to work, you have to work hard, really hard, and you have to be mentally prepared that you are going to do the projects. And means you are obviously learning a lot, going to learn a lot, but only if it will help you, only if you are doing it with full energy and full enthusiasm. I am very happy. You can see it on my face.